Good morning class. Now this is our second video of chapter 8 ratio and proportion. We are in continuation of exercise 8. We have done till question number 8. Question number 9 is same as question number 8. Now we will do question number 10. In this question, what number must be added to each term of the ratio 9:16 to make the ratio 2:3? The statement of question is this one. Let the required number is x. Then we will take let required number to be added. Required number be x. Then according to question, if we add x to the ratio 9 plus x becomes 16 plus x is equal to 2:3. We'll write in the form of fraction first, like this. We'll solve it for x by cross multiplying. We'll get 3 into 9 plus x is equal to 2 into 16 plus x. That is 27 plus 3x is equal to 32 plus 2x. Yes, taking like term together, transposing 27 to the RHS and 2x to the LHS, we'll get x as 5. So our required number is 5. Never leave your answer in the form of x because you have taken it as required number to be added is 5. Getting class? Now in the same way you can see in question number 11 is same as this one. Question number 11, in space of added we are having subtraction. What number should be subtracted from each term of this to get the ratio becomes 7:15? Same as you are supposed to subtract x. In this we will take 17 minus x, ratio 33 minus x. You will do it yourself. In question number 12, two numbers are in the ratio you have given. Two numbers are in the ratio 7:11. Now you are not given the two numbers. 7 is added to both the numbers. Ratio becomes 2:3. Find the numbers. We have the ratio of two numbers, not two numbers. Let the two numbers be. Yes class, in question number 12, solution. Let required numbers be 7x and 11x. According to question, if we add 7 to both the numbers, then their ratio becomes 2:3. We'll write in the form of fraction like this. Again we will solve the given equation for x. By cross multiplying we will get, you can see, just open the bracket, both sides, then collect like terms. 21 minus 14, 22x minus 21x, 7. We'll get x as 7. Now required numbers are 7 into 7 and 11 into 7, i.e. 49 and 77. Getting class? Same as in question number 13. Two numbers are in the ratio. On subtracting 3 from each, the ratio becomes this. Question is same as the previous one. Same as question number 12. In space of addition, you have to subtract. In space of plus, take minus only. Getting? Let us do it for you. Question number 13. Same as the previous one. Still I am doing. Have a look. Again, let two required numbers be 5x and 9x. Then according to question, if we subtract 3 from both the numbers, 5x minus 3 and 9x minus 3, we will get our required fraction as 1 by 2. We'll solve it for x. 2 into 5x minus 3 is equal to 9x minus 3. Yes. Open the bracket, we will get 10x minus 6. Collecting like terms, we'll solve it for x transposition and get x as 3. Now required numbers will be 5 into 3 and 9 into 3. That is 15 and 27. Getting class? Now you can see in question number 14, two numbers are in the ratio 3:4. Their LCM is 180. Find the numbers. Getting? Let the required numbers be 3x and 4x. Let required numbers be 3x and 4x. Given their LCM is, now LCM of 3x and 4x be 12x, because they are co-prime to each other, 3 and 4 having no common factor, so their LCM will be 12x. According to question, in question we are already having their LCM as 180. 12x is equal to 180. From here we will get our x as 180 by 12, that is equal to 15. So our required number are, required numbers will be 3 into 15 and 4 into 15. That is 45 and 60. Getting class? Now in question number 15, there is a statement sum. Edges of A and B are in the ratio 8:3. 6 years hence their ages will be in the ratio 9:4. Find their present ages. Their present age ratio is given 8:3. Now let age of A and B, ages of A and B as 8x and 3x. Question number 15. Let ages of A and B as 8x and 3x respectively. Getting? After 6 years, ages of A and B will be, after 6 years their ages will be 8x plus 6 and 3x plus 6. According to question, ratio of their ages after 6 years will be 9:4. We will take in the form of fraction. First you have to write in the form of ratio, then we will take. I am doing it directly. Getting? Solve it for x again by the same rule as we have done in the previous questions. 9 into 3x plus 6, you can see, is equal to, just open the bracket, collect like terms, transposing 27x to the LHS and 24 to the RHS, we will get 5x as 30 and x as 6. Now required ages, present ages. Present age of A and B will be 8 into 6 and 3 into 6 years. That is how much? 48 years and 18 years respectively. Getting class? 48 years and 18 years. Class, Have a look again. In all these questions we have given ratio. 8x plus 6, 3x plus 6 means both, if their ages after 6 years, this 6 will be added into both. Their ratio is after 6 years, a ratio of their ages is given 9 ratio 4. So you will do like this. Today you are supposed to do till question number 15 only. Getting? Question number 15 only. After this, till question number 19 statement sum will continue, and then we will do some other type of questions for solving. Have a look. Today's homework is exercise 8A till question number 10 to 15. We will continue with question number 16 onwards in our next video. Okay class.